Yeah, I think that's probably a better angle. Right. It's all about keeping Sam smooth and fluid, and that makes us progress quicker. Like everyone else, you can probably already tell that I'm scanning always. I'm always looking for what's coming, always looking for what potentially going to jump out and try and kill me. Stephen, who was my police trainer, he always said work on the principle that somebody actually is going to try and kill you, because they do not have the idea of what's going on around them. When you're sitting in a car, you're more closeted about what's going on and you're less aware of the dangers, where on a motorcycle we're all about danger. We understand it. Some of us actually get a kick from it. Now this angle that you're seeing at the moment is something that you don't normally see in my videos, and that is me actually moving across the saddle, because it always looks as if I'm smooth and static in this one position. Couldn't be further from the truth, guys. The only time I ever get static in that position is if my girlfriend wants to take a photograph of me. And considering she's in America at the minute, it would have to be a bloody good camera. And there are the bells. The bells, the bells. They make me mad, you know. Also, they make me deaf. Because it makes me deaf and I am just mad. I hope this video works for everyone, and you can see that the amounts of work, and this is the reason why I say that the K1600, if it's done properly, can give you a good workout. Now I was just demonstrating there that just head angle and just slightly changing the weight distribution can help you go around a corner. It's all about that gyroscopic effect, but it's also about making certain that as you're leaning, you're counterbalancing the gyroscopic effect. So you've been able to maintain keeping the bike relatively upright, as in it ain't gonna crash, and you can see what I'm talking about when I say it's all about relaxing when you're in the saddle. And this is the reason why I always say with the K1600, it's about sitting in the K1600, not on it, because you've got your butt and you've got this wonderful saddle that you're sitting on, and that has full effect of what's going on across your butt and across the whole of the bike. So we have full weight distribution, we have everything in the right place at the right time, doing the right things, enjoying the ride, and we keep it nice and smooth, and then we don't have to worry about unexpected, because if we see anything coming into our field of view, we can take appropriate actions. And this is one of the reasons why I like to ride to the center of the line. I know I joked in the past and said it was on a UK license where it said tear along the dotted line, but going into bends where you've got proper vision of entry and proper vision of exit, it's just a safety thing. So if I'm coming into a left-hand bend, I'm getting as far over to the right as safe as possible. And this way we can carry more speed into that corner, and this is where you surprise the sports bike guys, because you scare the shit out of them when there's half a ton of bike jamming up the jacksie, because you're not backing off because you've no need to. And it's all about understanding what you're doing, how you're doing it, and how the bike and you work together in tandem, because it really is about how the two of you work together in tandem. So I'm coming to a swing, so to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and then I'm back up into my saddle. And that allowed me to do a 4th gear roundabout and not have to worry about slowing down too much. Just had to worry about the traffic coming in the opposite direction. Now if I remember right, this is quite a tight bend, so I'm going to come across to my right, shift my weight slightly to the left hand side of the saddle, and then just lean. And then I don't have to worry because the bike is doing everything for me. Up, slow down because of the bicycle, out and round the bike, and then we're back on the hunt. And again, slight shift in the saddle, so all I'm doing is I'm just moving my weight very slightly and getting the corners set up the way I need them to be, so I don't have to slow down too much. And then another turn, so we slow down again. Now yesterday I had the I did the video where it took us to 3,750 miles on these Road Pilot 6s. They are running beautifully. Now Michelin, if you're watching, just because you ain't paying me for this and it's not a promo video, I would not object if you gave me a set or just a big discount on a set, because I'm having so much fun on these. I think I'm going to be getting through a pair probably every 3 months. The sun just that wrong angle. The castle in Hexenegger. And then we slow down because we are town based now. I think what I'm going to have to do, guys, at some point is take the pin lock out of my helmet and then put it back in with some washing up liquid to try and seal it, because it shouldn't be misting up, but unfortunately it does, which is the reason why I've got the helmet slightly open. lady actually give him way to let me out. That was rather nice of him. And there we are, Reutenberg Castle. And we're getting quite familiar with Reutenberg. The old castle ruin there.